World Wide Web. It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, the original student of game internet marketing. Yep, I am that guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning things I never knew, and I'm always sharing them with future internet marketing students. Guys, what's going on? In this video today, guys, well, first I want to apologize to you guys for not actually being in the frame. I haven't did a video where my face is actually in the frame in a while, and that's because I'm in desperate need of a shave and a haircut, guys, which is exactly what I'm heading for after I shoot this video. But I wanted to shoot the video before I went out, guys, because today I want to talk about exponential growth, right? We'll talk about making money online, making money on the internet, and the reason I want to talk about exponential growth, let me close this one. Hold on, guys. Is because you want to have exponential growth, right, tied into your particular business model, right? Whatever it is you're doing, you want to make sure that there's an exponential growth potential rolled into your business, right? Now, guys, I'm going to tell you why I say that, right? But let's change frames for 1 second, if I could, if this slow computer ever gets right. Guys, this guy you're looking at right here, right? If you guys don't know him, for any of you millennials who tuned in, or maybe it's just some people who are not familiar with him, this guy's name is Don Lapre, guys. Don Lapre is responsible for me wanting to become an entrepreneur. Back in the early 80s, this guy was on fire, guys, and he continued to be on fire right up through, I would venture to say, probably the last 7 years. Unfortunately, he committed suicide while he was in prison, guys. But that's another story. Not the point of this story, but I'm just saying this guy was definitely a force to be reckoned with. Now, as the story goes, guys, Don Lapre would tell, he was an actual painter working about 45, 50 hours a week, right? He got tired of that, so he decided to start his own business. When he decided to start his own business, guys, what he started doing was placing classified ads in newspapers, right? Don Lapre went out and started putting ads. Well, this is what happened. The way that he tells the story. What he started doing was placing one ad in one single newspaper, right, every week, right? One ad in one single newspaper every single week. And over time, what he was able to do was start earning about $300, $400 a month or a week, I think it was, by doing that, right? Placing one ad in one newspaper every week eventually started netting him about $400 a week, which clearly surpassed the amount of money he was making as a painter working 40 to 50 hours a week. So one night, guys, as he was sitting down, right, in his bedroom, he got a light bulb went off. And what he said to himself was, if I could run one ad in one newspaper once a week and make $300 or $400 every week, why not run that ad in 10 newspapers, right, and make even more money, right? Ultimately, he would go on to start running newspaper classified ads in thousands, tens of thousands of newspapers, right? That is the way that his business started to grow. The guy became a multimillionaire, right? Because what he did was he discovered a strategy, right, for incorporating exponential growth of his business. He wasn't doing any more work. He was just placing more ads, and his business started to grow. So guys, let's talk about, we just talked about actually exponential growth and why you want to be plugged into some form of it in your business, right? Now, there are different types of exponential growth type business models, right? Okay. Oh, the 1UP is a great example. You guys have seen 1UP systems, right? They're great for the exponential growth of your business, particularly when you got some serious minded people who like to hit the ground running and go out there and start promoting, who become products of the product and get out here and work, right? So the easy, or should I say easy 1UP, $25 1UP, these are great examples of business models with exponential growth rolled in. Strategies, right, There are many strategies, right, to grow your business exponentially, right? You got classified ads I just talked about. You got Craigslist ads, right? You got YouTube videos. That's a strategy, right? But when you have a business model with exponential growth rolled in, here's what happens, guys. And this is why you want to be plugged into such a system. Because the growth and the exposure of your business is not only compounded through your efforts, right? But through the efforts of your people that's coming on to your team as well. I'm going to read that very slowly all over again. When you have the exponential growth or an exponential growth component tied into your business, now the growth and the exposure of your business is not only compounded through your effort, but through the efforts of the people on your team as well. Guys, if you have seen the $25 one-up, a business model, if you guys have seen the Fearless Mama business model, right, or there are countless thousands of other business models that have the same components rolled in, you should be excited about that, right? Because here's what happens, guys, when the growth and the exposure of your business is compounded not only through your efforts but through the people on your team. You go out, you start recruiting people, right? Some of them are going to go out and start recruiting people too, right? Now, when you have exponential growth tied in, and it's clear, a great example is the one-up system, okay? And a lot of these models, you will get the first sale, or the second sale rolls up to your sponsor, so on and so forth, for so many levels. That's exponential growth. A lot of people don't like one-up systems. I love them, guys, because that's a great exponential growth component that's rolled into your business, right? If you guys have seen the Fearless Mama presentation, right, that's an excellent an example of exponential growth being tied into your business, guys. That is a prime example. And for all you guys who've joined, you guys know what I'm talking about already, right? And the reason I say that is because you can recruit one person, two people, three people in 1 month inside of the Fearless Mama, or you could actually do it inside the $25 one-up as well, right? Now, say those 2 or 3 people that you actually recruited and you brought onto your team that month, they go out and they start promoting, and they bring just 2 people in a month. Okay, doesn't matter, because no matter what level they come in on, guys, the people that's coming in after them have the opportunity to should I say, they can scale up, right? They can go to another level, right, inside of these platforms, right, where they make more money. And here's the thing, whether you're at that level or not, guys, that person will still continue to grow your business, because he's going out or she's going out and they're promoting the business as well. So whatever you got in, where you fit in, it doesn't matter, because you're still getting exposure, because this person's on your team, right? And you're not even doing anything, right? Because they're doing it. Now, again, depending on the level that you're on, right, in $25 one-up or the Fearless Mama, right, that person's promoting for you as well. And then that person that they bring in is promoting for you as well, because the software inside of these systems, guys, is designed in such a way that even if you're not on the highest level, it goes out and finds the next person that is on that level, and it pays the commission to them. So in a nutshell, guys, as you recruit people on your team, you want to get in at the highest level you can. You don't have to. A lot of times you can't until you start making money, and then you can sort of top up, you know what I mean? You know, go to the next level. But remember, every person you're bringing on your team potentially gives your business that exponential income, or exponential growth and income, actually, of your business. Because now it's not just you going out placing classified ads. It's not just you doing solo ads. It's not just you doing YouTube videos. Your team, all of them won't do all of those things, but some of them will do some different things, which is even better, right? Again, if you had 100 classified ads running in a group of newspapers, right? Let's just say one classified ad running in 50 newspapers, okay? And all you making from that is $200 a month. Guys, wouldn't it make sense to go out and place that classified ad in 200 or 300 more newspapers and grow your business exponentially? Even better, wouldn't it be cool to have an exponential income and growth and exposure potential rolled into your business with that type of model? Because now, guys, you're not working hard, or you can work hard, but you're really working smart, right? Because again, guys, if you think back, right, if you think about it, right, when we talk about exponential growth, right, and I talked about Don Lapre, all he did was go from placing one ad, right, in a single newspaper once a week to placing thousands of ads in newspapers. And then it probably got to the point where the dude was probably spending, who knows, tens of thousands of dollars on ads because he was making the money because his business was growing exponentially. And that's just through a strategy that he was using to grow his business exponentially. Now imagine this, guys, when you have multiple strategies that you can use to grow your business exponentially, and you have a business model that has an exponential growth potential rolled into it as well, you should get super pumped up and you should get super excited, guys, because you don't have to work a 40 or 50-hour work week, even if you did 1/3 of 1/3 of 1/3 of the type of the potential results you can have when you start to do this. Right now, as we speak, guys, I have about seven ads running on Craigslist. And every single day, I get a response from somebody inquiring about what it is I'm doing. Guys, those ads cost me $5, right? I spent $35, and I didn't even do that at one time. I'm probably going to do 5 more this week. But the point is this, guys, it doesn't matter when they respond every day. 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, whatever. It's all automated, right? It just makes sense for me to continue placing $5 ads on Craigslist. Right now, as we speak, I probably have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. Some of these videos I have on YouTube, I haven't taken down. I haven't done business with them in years. Doesn't matter, guys. I still continue to reap the benefit of getting massive exposure, right, at any given time. It's organic, of day or night, right? I'm getting ready to place a solo ad as soon as I get off this video. Well, actually, I go get my haircut first. But here's the thing. Guys, if you don't have the exponential growth potential of a business model that you're involved in, get into that kind of deal right now today, guys. Make sure you're in a business model, in an environment where your business can grow not only through your efforts, but through the efforts of everybody that you're bringing on your team. Okay, guys, with that being said, I'm going to get out of here. I like to end these videos by saying, guys, if you can help enough people get what it is they want in life, then you can get what it is you want in life. Right below in the YouTube video description area, I'll leave some tools that you guys can use if you want to start building your list, building your business. And of course, you guys will actually get on my list to see the actual $25 one-up and or the Phyllis Mama presentations as well. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle filled with exponential growth without limits. I'll see you guys on the next video.